Hello beautiful people! To see how to make these lovely chocolate cookies, watch the whole video. Hello again! So for this recipe you need 250 grams of butter. We need 2 egg yolks and 1 whole egg, as you can see here. We also need 1 cup of roasted and crushed peanuts. You can use any nuts you like. We also need this is 1 cup of icing sugar and 1 cup of cornstarch. And of course we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And let's jump straight to it. Okay, so I'm starting off with the butter, which is soft already, and I will add to that my cup of sugar, and we will mix the two until they are completely incorporated. Once your butter and sugar are looking like this, now it's the time to add your eggs and mix everything together. Next, now it's the time to add our cornstarch, and we are adding it here. Please don't be as messy as I am. I know I'm very messy. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix everything together. Next, now it's the time to add our peanuts, and I have 1 cup here. Next, we're going to add our flour, and we're adding it gradually till we end up with the dough that we are happy with and we are looking for. Okay guys, so this is the dough you should end up with. This is the consistency you are looking for. Okay, so next you should wrap your dough like so and let it rest for 15 to half an hour, 15 minutes to half an hour, so that the butter will be cold again and we can work with our dough easily. So for decoration of these cookies we need roasted crushed peanuts, and we need chocolate spread. We also need some regular chocolates. So I am here just showing you how to assemble your cookies. So you should grab a little bit of dough and spread it like so, and you just fill it with chocolate spread in the middle. And once you're happy with the chocolate that's in there, you just do as I am doing here. It's very easy to make, very easy. It can be messy, you just have to be organized, okay? And that's it. So for the chocolate icing, I have melted chocolate here, milk chocolate, and I'm adding some roughly crushed roasted peanuts, like so. You can add any nuts again. If you have hazelnuts, that would be definitely a winner. The reason why I'm using peanuts is, 1, because it's cheap, let's be honest, and 2nd, because it tastes really good. I really like it. I prefer peanuts over let's say almonds. So you just do this and you should end up with these lovely looking chocolate cookies. That's it. So this is the end result once your chocolate is set. And this is the inside of the cookie. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.